Hi, what brings you in today?
Hello, doctor. I've been having some stomach pain for a while now.
Oh, I see. How long has this been happening?
It started just yesterday, after I had some spicy food.
That could be the cause. What exactly did you eat?
I ate a lot of spicy food, some chili and curry.
Ah, that might be it. Does it hurt when you eat or after?
Not really when I eat, but it gets worse after.
I see. Does the pain feel sharp or more like a dull ache?
It's more of a dull ache.
Do you feel nauseous or is it just the pain?
No, it's just the stomach pain. I don't feel nauseous.
Let me check your stomach to be sure.
Okay, doctor.
Does it hurt if I press here?
Yes, a little bit.
It seems like mild indigestion. It should pass with some care.
Oh, I see. So it's nothing serious?
No, don't worry. It's not serious. Just avoid spicy food for a while.
Okay, I will. Should I take anything for the pain?
You can take some over-the-counter medication. It should help.
Thank you so much, doctor.
You're welcome. Drink plenty of water and let me know if it gets worse.
Hi, I need something for stomach pain.
Sure, I can help with that. How long have you had the pain?
It started just yesterday after eating some spicy food.
Oh, I see. Is it a sharp pain or more of a dull ache?
It's mild, but really annoying.
Don't worry, I'll help you with that. Let me check what we have.
Thank you so much.
Did you eat anything unusual or just spicy food?
Yes, I ate a lot of spicy food, probably too much.
I see. Have you had any nausea or vomiting?
No, just the stomach pain, no nausea.
Okay, you can try this. It's good for mild pain like yours.
Is it safe to take?
Yes, it's completely safe. Just follow the instructions on the package.
How should I take it?
Take 1 tablet after meals. You can take it up to 3 times a day.
How soon will I feel better?
You should start feeling some relief in a few hours.
That sounds good. Can I take it with water?
Yes, please, make sure to drink plenty of water.
Thank you.
Take care and feel better soon. Let me know if you need anything else.
Mom, my stomach still hurts.
Oh no, that doesn't sound good. How's it feeling now?
It's a bit better, but I can still feel the pain.
Have you been drinking enough water?
Yes, I've been drinking water, but I think I need to change my diet.
What have you been eating recently?
I've been eating a lot of spicy food.
Oh, that's the problem. Spicy food can really hurt your stomach.
I know. I'll stop eating it from now on.
Good decision. You should try eating light food for now.
Like rice and soup?
Yes, just light and easy to digest meals.
What else should I avoid?
Avoid greasy or fried foods. They're not good for your stomach.
I'll eat more fruits and vegetables.
That's perfect. Yogurt is also really good for your stomach.
I'll try that. Thanks, Mom.
You should lie down and take a nap. It might help you feel better.
I will, Mom. Thanks for everything.
Rest and feel better soon. You'll be fine.
Hello, this is Dr. Smith. How are you today?
Hi, doctor. I'm much better, thank you.
That's great to hear. Any pain left?
No, it's all gone. I feel fine now, much better.
That's good. How's your digestion now?
It's good. I've been eating light food like you suggested.
Good job. Have you been drinking enough water?
Yes, I've been drinking a lot of water.
Perfect. That's really important. Did you avoid spicy food as well?
Yes, I haven't eaten any spicy food at all.
That's great to hear. Spicy food can really upset your stomach.
I learned my lesson. I won't eat it again.
I'm glad you're feeling better. Is there anything else bothering you?
No, everything is fine now. No more problems.
That's great to hear. Keep up the good work.
Thank you for checking on me, doctor. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need anything.
I will. Thanks again for your help.
Take care, and feel free to call if you need anything. Goodbye.
Goodbye, doctor.
Hi, how can I help you today?
Hello, I'm looking for food that's easy on my stomach.
Oh, I see. Are you not feeling well?
Yes, I have stomach pain from eating too much spicy food.
I understand. You should try eating light foods.
That's what I'm looking for. Can you recommend something?
Sure, you could try rice. They're gentle on the stomach.
Rice sounds good. How about fruits?
Bananas are very gentle on the stomach. Apples are also a good choice.
I love bananas. What about vegetables?
Carrots and zucchini are easy to digest.
Great. I'll take some carrots. How about soup?
Chicken broth would be good. It's light and easy.
Perfect. I'll take that too. Should I avoid anything?
Yes, avoid spicy and greasy foods for now.
Got it. I won't eat spicy food anymore.
That's a good idea. Drink plenty of water, too.
I will. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Hope you feel better soon.
Thanks. I'll follow your advice.
Take care. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found the conversations helpful. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons. This is your homework. Please comment below and tell us, what's your favorite healthy food for a happy stomach? Have a nice day, and we'll see you in the next video.